In most homes, there are two tables that we use the most: coffee table and the dining room table. One sits right in the heart of the living room, holding our coffee, books, decor, and all the little things that make a home feel lived in. The other is where we gather for meals, celebrations, and everyday moments. But choosing the right table is not only about picking a beautiful design. The shape matters too. For a coffee table, think about how your living room is used every day. If the space is smaller, or if people often walk around the sofa, a round coffee table can help soften the layout. Without sharp corners, it makes movements feel easier and gives the room a more relaxed, welcoming feel. A square coffee table works best when your room has a more structured, balanced layout, like a sofa against the wall, a sectional, or chairs arranged around a table. The straight edges help the room feel grounded, clean, and intentionally designed. At LumberGrand, our coffee tables are designed at 17 to 18 inches high, making them a natural fit for living room spaces. Whether you choose a round tabletop or a square tabletop, the goal is the same: a table that feels useful, balanced, and visually connected to your space. Now, when it comes to dining tables, shape can completely change the way people gather. A round dining table is a great choice for smaller dining areas, square rooms, or small gatherings. It gives everyone a more equal seat at the table, and since there are no corners, the table often creates a softer, cozier dining experience. A square dining table also works well in a square or compact space. It feels clean, balanced, and intimate, perfect for everyday family meals. For our dining table options, LumberGrand offers both round and square tables at a 30 to 31 inch high, a comfortable standard height for daily dining. No matter the size of your space, we offer a variety of table sizes and custom options to help you find the perfect fit for your home. Each LumberGrand table is made with carefully selected wood, beautiful natural color, and designer-designed steel table legs with a durable powder-coated finish. Because the right table should not only look good on day one, it should feel right in your space, support your everyday life, and become a piece your home can grow around. Explore LumberGrand collections and find the table shape, size, and design that fits your home best.